Here at Western Volkswagen we have over 500 used cars available in a range from petrol, electric and diesel. And here's the Volkswagen Passat, 2 litre TDI DSG R-Line estate 150 PS. The car is great, it has a great spec including adaptive cruise control with front assist, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance and these 18-inch Monterrey alloy wheels. The boot's a good size and it's also incredibly spacious. The interior has 3-zone climate control, an R-Line body kit and a panoramic glass roof. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.